Tomorrow we go to New England wrap up. Today we prep cars, except mine's probably not going because my exhaust leak is much worse, which I will try to show you. Dan's here, and he brought the Allroad, and today we're gonna paint the Allroad rear calipers, and we're gonna trim his fenders so he can have more stance.
Stance.
How many stances will you have afterwards?
I mean, right now I think I have 2. So if I could, if I could get 3, I'd be happy. But I think maybe I could get like 3.5.
So if you saw the last video, you know I have a little bit of an exhaust leak, but that exhaust leak has since turned into an exhaust hole. It's really bad. It sounds like an East Boston Honda.
Look how long.
This is my exhaust right now. That's the piece coming off. It's not good. Let me focus. This is the worst exhaust wrap install. It's literally just wide open. It's not it's not gonna do anything. Oh my god, there's so many holes that I left open.
It looks good.
You can't see it. This is what we've installed. It looks so ridiculous on camera. Oh my god. This is what it looks like. There's a hole right here that's not gonna seal. Alright, well that was an immense fail. I pulled the tape off. I don't like the way it sounds and I don't like the way it looks, and I'm just gonna run open exhaust. On the other car, Dan's calipers don't come painted from the factory. So we're painting those to match the front brakes, and we're gonna trim. I don't know if you can see, there's a little lip here. Right in there. Well, anyway, take my word for it. In here, Dan's rubbing a little bit, so we're just gonna trim it down and make it so he can air all the way out. I had RS brakes, and we installed them on the front of Dan's car.
Red's the fastest color in the daytime. Plastic.
Plastic? Yeah, we're getting rid of the plastic. Well, we're this far into painting the calipers. This fender has been trimmed, and it's starting to rain. Alright, well, the whole caliper's masked, and it got dark out. It's not raining anymore, at least, but if you guys need any coupons, I'm sorry in advance. I'm using them. Here we go. Cool, first coat. Well, we saw a meme on the internet the other day of the Honda Civics. Pound's here, by the way.
Hi.
You saw a meme on the internet the other day that the exhaust tip on this looks like an HDMI port. So our buddy Chris cut Pound an HDMI sticker, and Pound's got a little arrow here. And we're gonna center the arrow, and Pound's gonna have HDMI. 600 horsepower.
Oh!
In the arms of the angel, fly.
No! It's JDM. Oh, HDM. Sorry. Wow. Go. That's a good way to start the video. Now we're going. Except we're not starting the video. This is continuing from yesterday. I just realized that.
Oh, okay. All right.
They knew that, but I forgot.
Me too.
We're going to Easton Beach to New England wrap up. It's kind of the last show of the season in New England. It wraps up the season. We got Zach and his GTI, and Zach and his S3. Yep. We got 2 Zachs. That's
not to be confused with HVAC.
That's H Zach.
H Zach.
And that's
K Zach. Not to be confused.
Not Kazakh.
He doesn't have multiple Ks. Just
yeah. There's our work from yesterday.
Because I still have the pictures on.
Red brakes finally, and Dan can air all the way out now. We checked it last night, so let's see what happens.
Yeah, I remember that. It was like resting on it. Yeah.
And now
we're not. Yeah, we're not. Well, there we go.
Yeah,
nice.
that's how I really talk. All right. Well, as you can tell by my hair, yikes. I have 4 jackets on. Dan has 2 sweatshirts on.
And I'm fat, so like that means some.
It's really cold and windy out. The sun actually is just coming out as we're leaving. But we're gonna go get food now because it's just too cold. That was kind of a random start of the video. Dan's Allroad looks awesome, aired out, and wrap up was a great time. It was really cold out and I didn't really want to film that much. My hands were in my pocket for most of the show. Just a fun time hanging out with good people. That's what I love about that show. It's really casual, laid back. There's really no awards. But behind me, as the video title stated, we have a box from JH Motorsports, otherwise known as JHM. And we're gonna open it up. Slice.
And that's my address, so I won't show you guys that. We got some good old packing material. Ooh, it's just like cardboard. Weird. Well, in here, we have a swag bag. All right, we got a shirt first. Same design. JH Motorsports on the front, and then on the back, shifting you to the next level. Very excited about that. Thank you for sending that out, guys. Ooh, look at these welds. We got some pretty welds in here. This is the portion that attaches to the flange that comes off the test pipes. Then the exhaust goes down here, and this is going to be the portion where the X pipe attaches and the high flow cats attach. And as you can see, it's V-band. And check out these welds. Everything is made in-house. A pretty nice weld work there. Just found this sitting in here. It says stickers. With surgical precision, I managed to open this up, and now there are stickers falling out of it. We got the real pretty stuff here. There's no way I'm gonna be able to wrap this up like this again, but it's worth it. Oh, look at this. That's a good looking setup right there. Alright, so the first thing you notice here is these flex pipes actually don't have holes in them. Amazing, right? It's almost like that's what a flex pipe is designed to be like. This is the X pipe section, so this is where the exhaust crosses over. And then we get down here into where the high flow cats are. Now you'll notice there's a tiny bit of a gap there, and a nice reinforcement thing there. And then of course on the side, it is labeled JHM. Something cool about this JHM setup is you can specify to neck down to a stock exhaust size. So it does neck down, as you see here, to a smaller pipe. I believe this is 2.5 inch and necks down to 2 1/4, which is the stock exhaust size, so that I can use stock exhaust clamps and mate this right up to my AWE catback. Overall, really nice fit and finish here. I'm not sure how much quieter, if quieter at all, this is going to be than the stock downpipes, given the size of these cats versus the size of the downpipe resonators. But this X pipe should help take out some of the harsh frequency. So we'll kind of see where the exhaust volume ends up at. The whole thought process behind these is basically, if you guys remember, the whole reason I took out my cats is because they clogged. Instead of having the cats up here, we're moving them downstream all the way down to here. All this area gives space for heat to disperse, and I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but these cats should stay at a much better operating temperature than the cats that were up there. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. A huge thanks to JHM for working with me on these high flow catted downpipes. Very excited to install them, and I will give you guys a full video review coming soon. Also, make sure to go check out Dan's company, Humble Supply Company. They sell cool apparel. As always, thank you guys for watching. Go out there and spread some positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next video.